So hi, this is maintenance repair operation for dummies. How you can assist someone. You send someone to Alaska. The scenario is this: he has a R-22 helicopter. The generator broke, and he has no maintenance personnel. That's pretty extreme, and he has to try to make it back. So what do you do? So someone from a remote location can create a step-by-step procedure to him and send it to him on his phone. So right now I'm working from my phone. Giving you assistance to repair the equipment in this remote location, in this case to replace the generator. So let's start. So I just got this app and I'm clicking from my friend and I'm clicking on start.
This is a practical demonstration of an Avr Remote Assistance showing how you can assist your colleague to repair equipment in remote locations. In this case we will demonstrate how to replace the generator.
So because I have a card, I'm gonna switch to AR. Just a second.
This is a practical demonstration of an Avr Remote Assistance showing how you can assist your colleague to repair equipment in remote locations. In this case we will demonstrate how to replace the generator.
But he could also have done it as a virtual reality, augmented reality demonstration. And I'm clicking on this, and let's see what he says.
Hi.
Oh, I have it wrong.
So today I'm going to show how easy it is to use the Create Avr application
components to find certain components in the aircraft, and also to try to do a step-by-step procedure.
So basically what he's saying is he's going to help guide me through the, he goes to the engine and he selects the engine. And now he's guiding me through what I have to do in order to uninstall various components to get to the generator. So he's basically using the dissect button that he's done a virtual reality recording step by step. Let's listen in.
Tubes, I should say. And I'm not an expert at it. An expert would be able to tell you much more details about how to proceed. I'm trying to show you the principle here. So this also. Yes.
Oh, now I see the generator. That's exactly what I wanted to get to. I wanted to get to that part, so that was very helpful. So now I can turn off the recording. The recording is ending about there. You can see that I hold the recording in my fingers, and now I'm gonna go myself and do it. So let me just click on this. Let's click on the close the video. Okay, there we go. I close the video, and now I have my helicopter. So now what I want to do is to turn it around. Okay, I will explode it. I see that the engine is there. I click on the engine. So I want to make sure that I got it right before I actually go in the aircraft. Okay, and I do exactly what this guy did for a second ago, which happened to be me, but yeah, you have to imagine there's someone else. Let's see here. So I have hold my finger in a way that I can interact. So I'm clicking on the pick button. 1 second. There you go. So that section is activated. Let's see what he did. I think he started with the tubes, if you remember correctly. So let me do the same. So I'll start with this tube and that tube. And then he took the other tube here. So now I'm basically replacing and doing what I can do. I can also upload this as in the next version to AR Assist. Oh, low battery. And I remove that and be in the remote location while I'm actually in front of the engine. There's one more part, and this part I have to remove. And there you go. So that's the generator. You see that little white glowing things, and I got it. Okay, that was pretty successful. Now I can do it in real life. So AR assistance in a remote way, practically demonstrated. Thank you. Let's see.